Welcome to the channel. This is Vauxhall, I think Astra or Mocha, I'm not sure 100%, but her problem, she said, you can see moisture inside the car. Have a look this side, all water inside the car. See, water inside the car, inside the glass, and inside the wall also water, but I can't feel any. I don't know what is this unit, but I can't feel any water here. But this cloth little bit wet, but here I can't feel anything. Right, okay, we'll see what happened in the engine bay. Right, I can straight something show to you. See here, lot of leaves here and look like a compost. See, all compost build up here, because this is, and that side also. Well, you can see this is driver's problem or owner's problem. I'm always say, and when you park under the tree like that, you ending with like this. But if you see like this problem, first of all you need to clean this thing, right? Before I go and check anything, I'm going to clean, and after that I'm going to start my diagnostic. Right, that area nice and clean now. I'm going to check inside. There is a water outlet inside. I want to check, is it blocked or like a drain point is blocked or not, because if it blocked, sometime it's flooded into the car. No, visually I can't see. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the water and put it to the here and have a look if it coming out. Yes, see, it's coming out nicely, and same time at the moment, no, I don't have any doubt there. And we'll see other draining point. I'm going to add the water. See, I can't see. See, definitely that draining point block, because I put like a maybe quarter liter, but nothing coming out. You saw only just couple of drops. See, just couple of drops. Right, okay, I feeling right, something draining here also. Well, we can see now. Right, we'll see how is this football. I feeling it's something happened this side. Right, okay, okay, I'm going to add more water and have a look. Yeah, still I can't see. I can see now. See, when I add water to that side, it's dripping from this side. Basically, what happened, when I add water there, it's dripping from this side and it's coming out from this side. Yeah, you can see it's coming out from the passenger side. Right, that's why the problem could be, I need to open this cover and have a look visually what happened inside. See this side water puddle there. In here inside there is a water puddle, you can see. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it everything as it is. I'm going to add water all around. First I'm starting the water, put it here, 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 like this, go all the way windscreen. Someone do the water, and I'm going to check from inside. Right, is she going to help me? I'm going inside and have a look. Any luck for the this one? No, I can't find anything from this side. We'll move to the other side. Right, we'll try now this side. Yep. Here at the moment, I can't find anything. Only the thing I can see, it's coming out water from that side. Other side, draining point block. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the both wipers and take out this panel and have a look what's going on there. See you soon.